In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. Managing your expenses efficiently is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, and sometimes you may need to remove an entry. Whether it's because of a duplicate entry, an error, or any other reason, deleting an expense in QuickBooks Online is straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, begin by navigating to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you'll see a variety of options. Look for the section labeled Expenses. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to the Expenses tab, which is crucial in accessing all the financial transactions you've recorded. Once you're on the Expenses tab, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your expenses. It's a centralized place where you can review and manage your financial outflows. Take a moment to look through this list and locate the specific expense you wish to delete. Ensuring that you have identified the correct entry is vital, as deleting an expense is permanent and cannot be undone in QuickBooks. Now, once you've found the expense you're intending to remove, you'll notice a button labeled View or Edit next to it. Select this button, and it will open detailed information about that particular expense. It's always a good idea to quickly review this data to confirm you have selected the right one, checking details such as the date, amount, and description. At the bottom panel of this detailed view window, you'll find several options to manage your expense. Locate the button labeled More. Click on More, and this will reveal additional actions you can perform. Among the options presented, you should see Delete. Select Delete to proceed with removing the expense from your records. After you've clicked on Delete, QuickBooks may prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure that you genuinely intend to delete this expense. Confirm your decision, and with that, the expense will be deleted from your QuickBooks records. Remember, deleting an expense is irreversible, so make sure you really want to remove it and that there's no mistake about which expense is being deleted. And there you have it. That's all it takes to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. This process is designed to be intuitive and efficient, allowing you to maintain clean and accurate financial records without unnecessary hassle. Keep in mind, maintaining precise and up-to-date records is essential for healthy financial management, and QuickBooks Online provides the tools to manage these efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.